Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the channel Logos World. Today I will show you the creative logo which is minimalist logo. So let's start and make some minimalist logo. So here is my artboard, you can see. Now I will make some logo, minimalist logo here. So let's see. First of all, I will take the pen tool. I will take the pen tool and I'll make a curve here. You can see. Sorry. Here you can see. Uh, I take a nice curve here. Okay. Make a curve here. How it is look like, and now I will just make it bigger, and I will change here a color. Change color. Sorry, I made a mistake here, so that's why I have to. Yes, sorry. Okay, now this is okay, and I make I make it here. You can see I will try it 20 here, make it 20, and I will change here something. Okay, sorry. Okay, it's okay. And now I will change stroke color. I will make it blue, and sorry. Okay, and its color should be the. I will make it the light blue, and here you can see. Sorry, you can see here. I will change here something. Oh, I made a mistake here. I will I will show you the things what happened here. You can see that I will just change. Sorry. Okay, it's perfect now. Now I will change the gradient of its. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Okay, it's fine that I make a gradient here, and now I will copy of it. I will make, sorry, I think here you can see, and I will make it, here you can see, or and I will change its color, stroke color. It will be the now how it look like. I think it's look perfect here, and it's also a minimalist logo. Now I will go for a circle here. Go for a circle here. Okay, I make a circle here. I make a circle here. You can see circle here. Now I will make a rectangular. Make a rectangular and make it a mark, which is, sorry, which is black, and I will make a copy. Now here you can see, I will here you can see I won't do anything here. Here you can see here, uh, this is also a minimalist logo. This is also a minimalist logo, you can see here. And now I will show you the more things, and which will be the and sorry, make it two, and other things. And here you can see I will change the stroke color. I will make it black, and it's also a minimalist logo. And you can see everything you can add with pen tool or anything, then is a shape or something else, like that. It will be the typographical things, or symbolic things and nice things. It will be the minimalist logo. And you have to try it at your home and practice more, please. And if you like our videos, then please subscribe our channel, and to like, share, comment, and share, please. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.